Today, I'm going to teach you how to request manual indexing of a URL in Google Search Console. This is incredibly useful when you've published new content or made important updates to a page and want Google to crawl and index it immediately rather than waiting for their automated systems to discover it naturally. First, you'll need to navigate to search.google.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, log in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using an account that has access to the Search Console property you want to work with, as this step is essential for gaining access to the indexing tools. After logging in, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. This is your main tool for checking and requesting indexing. Simply click into that search bar and carefully input the full URL of the page you want indexed. This should be the complete URL, including the http:// or https:// prefix. Once you've typed in your URL, press Enter on your keyboard. Google Search Console will now analyze the URL you've submitted. This process might take a few moments as it checks the current indexing status of your page and retrieves relevant data. You'll see a loading indicator while this happens, so be patient and let it complete. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see a page showing the current status of your URL. Look for the button that says Request Indexing and click on it. This is the critical step that tells Google you want them to prioritize crawling this specific page. Now here's where patience is key. After clicking Request Indexing, Google Search Console will begin processing your request. This can take anywhere from several seconds to a few minutes depending on various factors. You'll see a loading indicator on your screen, and it's important not to navigate away or close the page during this time. Let the process complete fully. When the indexing request has been successfully submitted, you'll see a confirmation message appear on your screen that says Indexing Requested. This means Google has received your request and will send their crawlers to visit your page. Keep in mind that while the request is instant, the actual indexing can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days depending on various factors, like your site's crawl budget and priority. And there you have it, you've successfully requested manual indexing for your URL in Google Search Console. This simple process can significantly speed up how quickly your new or updated content appears in Google's search results. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.